It is very simple to get crackles effect on your resin work, and this particular one you're seeing is a very mild one. Let me show you how I got it done. So I already have my resin mist with the hardener. So I have this is a mica pigment. It's different from regular pigment. It's almost like in powder form. So when you add into your resin, please add a lot of it so that it can create a very heavy texture. Then after putting your plain resin in your mold, you can now start adding the one mixed with the mica pigment. So as you're mixing it, it's going to drop under and give this round circle cracked effect, hence the name crackles effect. And here I have my very beautiful key holders ready for my clients. Please, my classes will be coming on soon.